Good morning, boys and girls at home. Good morning, boys and girls at school. Are y'all ready to do our calendar? Can I get a yes? Can I get a yes at home? Okay, the month is September. What is the month, class? September. Let's spell September. 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 Remember, our S has to be capitalized because it is a proper noun. In our class, do y'all have y'all September? Okay, today is 22. Let me erase this and try using a different color. $22. At home, do y'all have y'all 22? In class, did y'all circle y'all 22? Circle y'all 22. Do y'all have it?
Yes.
Our group 1, who's writing the paragraph, y'all have y'all September. Today is September.
I feel doing everything at the same time.
At 22, do you have your number 22? The year is 2020. 2020. 2020. Y'all have that? The number 22 is a what number? Is it an odd number or an even number? What is it, guys, in class? Is it an odd number or an even number? It's going to be an even number. Let's spell it. E-V-E-N. Even. Now, for group 2, we're about to start where we circle. This is basically our announcement for our group 1 who have to start writing, okay? Let's go to the slide and begin. What is the weather today? What is the weather today? Is it raining by you? Is it raining at school? Let's see. No, it's not raining. Is it sunny by you? Is it sunny at school?
No.
No.
Not at all.
Not at all.
I know what kind of
Is it foggy outside?
Y-E-S. Y-E-S.
No, it's not foggy. Is it foggy at school? Is it foggy at home? No. What about windy? Can y'all do this? It's going to be hard to look because y'all have your masks on. No, it's not windy. So it is what, guys? Partly sunny. Y'all know what that means? The clouds is kind of out because it's raining off and on. But the sun's trying to peek out. Did y'all circle partly sunny? Y'all got it? All right. At home, do y'all have it? All right. Let's go to the season. Ho, ho. Guess what, guys? Guess what, guys? Guess what, guys? It's fall! The leaves gonna fall! Today is the first day of fall! Do y'all see fall? Do y'all see fall? At home, do y'all see fall? We're gonna circle fall. You see fall? Good job saying fall. We're gonna go to the next slide. What is the temperature? What is the temperature? Is it cold? No, Miss B, it's not cold. Is it cold by y'all? No, it's not cold. Is it cold? What about cool? Is it cool? A little, but not all the way. This morning when I left home, the temperature was like 79, almost 80. So we're gonna circle warm. And if you're in group 1, you're gonna write warm. Do y'all have warm at home? Here in class, did y'all circle warm? Oh wow, I like how y'all did warm. What are we wearing? What are we writing? What are we wearing? Do we have on shirts? At home, do y'all have on a shirt? In class, your classmates have on shirts. So we're going to circle shirts. What about jacket? No, Miss B. Jacket? No, Miss B. Okay, what about shorts? Anybody have on shorts? Some people still wearing shorts. So we'll circle it. Because no one have on a sweater. No one have on a jacket. What about pants? I have on pants. Do you have on pants? Do you have on pants? Guess what? At home, your classmates in class all have on pants. Y'all probably have on shorts at home. Y'all so lucky. Let's go to the next slide. And for group 2 and group 1. Yesterday was what, guys? Can anybody tell me what yesterday was? Yesterday was Monday. Our 3rd graders came back to school. Who came to school? We have some 3rd graders at home. How y'all doing? Y'all enjoying it? Y'all staying safe? Great. So, we're going to circle Monday. Monday. Yesterday was Monday. We're going to go to the next slide. What is today? Today is Taco Tuesday. Who got tacos? Do you have tacos? Do you have tacos? Do you like tacos? Taco Tuesday. Why did they make Taco Tuesday? I don't know. I just heard one of our classmates who are 4th grade tell me, Miss B, you know what today is? I say Tuesday. He say no. Correctly, it's Taco Tuesday. What y'all think about that? Y'all think about that? Y'all agree with him? I just started saying it. What is going to be tomorrow? Wednesday. Wednesday. Why do we call it Wednesday? Because we almost finished with the week. Wednesday. We're going to circle it for group 2. Group 1, you're going to write it. Okay? Let's go to the next slide. How many days have our kindergartens been at school? 24. So we're going to put a 2 and a 4. 24 days for our kindergartens. Our 1st through 4th grade. Welcome, 4th graders. How y'all doing who came to school? Welcome. Welcome, 4th graders who's at home. Staying safe. Give me 1 second. And we've been in school 29 days. It's going to be a 2 and a 9. Okay? 2 and a 9. Can we go to the next slide? Oh, how many classmates we have? All together, it's 11. 1. And today was an even number. Even. You could trace it. Or you could circle it. And if we go to our basic tens, we're going to need 2 10s, because 10 plus 10 is 20. Plus, we're going to need 2 of the ones. Because today is 22. I hope y'all did it at home. Everyone who have been in class, have y'all made it? Did y'all do y'all even? 22. Count y'all 10. Oh, all of y'all are so smart. Let's kiss our brains. Great job. We're so proud of y'all. We'll see y'all later. The ones who are at home with some more videos. We're going to check our classmates in the class. And then we should be working on what next? We should be working after our calendar. We're going to work on our ELA. So we're going to talk about those who have stories. Y'all going to do your story and answer the questions at home. And we're going to help the ones in the class. Okay, we'll talk to y'all later. So, bye-bye.